Hello, welcome to this tutorial. We are going to look at engineering drawing. So the first thing that we're going to discuss today are the engineering instruments. These are the things that you require for you to have a good drawing, or the things, accessories that you need so that you can have a good drawing. So the first thing that we're going to look at is the board. Okay, you have to have a flat board for you to have good drawings. Then the next thing is to have a sheet of paper. Okay, now this sheet of papers come in different sizes. So like the one I'm having now is A3. So A3 is 420 by 297. Okay, so they come in different sizes. So for this purpose we are going to use A3. Now another thing that you need is a masking tape. Now the masking tape is going to help you make the paper be in line and stick it on the drawing board, so that wherever you are drawing it doesn't move. So apart from this, we also have a pencil. Okay, now pencils come in different types. So here I have an HB pencil. Now this one mostly is used for if you want bold outlines. Apart from the pencil, we have the set squares. So we have two set squares. One is a 45-degree set square, and then we also have another one which is combines 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, so we have these two set squares. Now these are going to help us draw basically vertical lines, and also maybe if you want to make some angles. So this one has a protractor, so there is no need for you to buy another protractor. Again, these two set squares, they are bought at 630 Kenya shillings. That's around $6.3. And then apart from that, we also have a T-square. Okay, so this is a T-square, plastic T-square. So this T-square is basically used for drawing horizontal lines. It is used for drawing horizontal lines. Now the T-square is attached to this point, this other part, in this manner, so that when you want to draw horizontal lines, you keep it on the border here, on the edge, sorry. So this is the edge. Now once you stick your paper well, you can be able to move it up and down and draw horizontal lines. Okay, so it is moving along the edge of your drawing board. Okay, now this one comes this one is bought at around 550 Kenya shillings, and that is around approximately $5.5. So this is another important instrument, and it is called a T-square, okay, or a T-rule. Then apart from the T-rule or the T-square, we have a pair of compass. Now you can use the engineer's compass, but this can also do a good work. So this one, you can use it to draw circular outlines. Okay, then this one. Now this is another instrument that is very important for measuring lengths of up to 15 centimeters. You can choose to use this 15 centimeters ruler. So it is also important when you are drawing. Now we have a sharpener, so this is also another important instrument. So you use this to sharpen your pencils, so that you have a clear edge, sharp edge for nice drawings. Yes. Then we also have an eraser here. So this eraser is you use it to rub where you have made mistakes, and also you should also consider using an eraser which will not leave your work dirty. So it should be a clean eraser so that you have also clean work. So you see this one leaves a clean page, a clean sheet. So you should always consider neatness when you are drawing So the last thing I would like to share with you is this engineering drawing book. You can buy this in the supermarket or any bookshop. So this is an A3 booklet. So mostly I use this just for practice purposes. So you can also have this maybe when you are at home. You can be able to use this for your practice. So we are going to use it here for the drawing purposes. So these are the most important instruments that you need. So in our next video we are going to go straight to how we can draw title blocks and also make dimensions. We're also going to look at lettering, how you can do write on your page